Alright, so today we're just waiting on our flight. We're just kind of walking around. Check out this cool store. You got some really cool records. Beatles, Santana, Michael Jackson, Cat Stevens. Lots of good stuff. Shaggy. Beatles, Michael Jackson, Air Supply. Richie will know that one. Lots of good stuff. Tupac. It's a very dog-friendly country. We have some very nice restaurants along this area. So you have like a little walking area in the middle. You can walk your dog if you have one. You got some bikes for rent. Those are the kind you just pretty much rent, and they have many different locations where you can just drop them off. Then you got these sidewalks on the side. These little towns or areas just keep going on forever. Each area is pretty unique. Big trees. The smell of coffee is everywhere too. Some big leaves on that one. I'm really loving these roads. You can see the traffic is this way with normal cars. In the middle there is for bicycles. Coming this way, you can kind of see the green. And for skateboarders, you can see a skateboarder there. It's just so cool. I love how the roads are designed here. They really want you to get out and, you know, ride something other than just motor vehicles. Alright, so I just got in the Uber this time. It's $35,000 to go to the airport. So definitely use either Uber or have your hotel place call a taxi for you. So this is how some of the taxis are in Colombia. We get to watch Baby Driver if you've ever seen that movie before. So that's pretty cool. Watch the movie while we're on our way to the airport. I think this is one of the best car scenes in any movie I've seen. You drive like that? You drive like that? Oh. And even on the highway, they have a middle lane that you can ride your scooter, your electric scooter, your bicycles, walking. It goes right across there. That's pretty cool. Gracias, drive safe. All right, take care. So, I think you guys already seen probably enough of airport footage. So I think we're just gonna walk in, get on the plane, and then be on our way to Medellin. I think that's how you say it. So here's the inside of the airport on this side. So we'll get the tickets and we'll be on our way. So it's almost 9 o'clock. Our flight was delayed almost an hour. Not so bad. We're not gonna be doing much tonight anyway, except just checking in and going to bed, checking out the place. We still gotta meet the person to get the key. So here's the line. It's not so bad. All right, so our last flight, someone was messing with those controllers over there and the door. I'm not sure exactly what they're doing, but that's what they told us. They said they're hitting those buttons, and then our last plane was delayed over a couple hours and the person got kicked off. And then the plane, or the door wouldn't shut, it was jammed. So they had to fix the door and kick the guy off. So don't mess with the controllers right there, or the door, or you will be kicked off. So I don't know if this is a full flight or not, but my brother and I are not sitting next to each other. This is actually the first time buying tickets with somebody and not sitting next to each other. I guess that's the disadvantage of not purchasing your tickets or your seats. They charge a little extra if you actually designate your seats. So we didn't, so we took the chance and we're not sitting next to each other. So he's sitting back there. All right, so I just want to show this airport real quick. This is the baggage claim. It's a lot smaller than Bogota. So we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna use my Uber, which I believe you can use here. If not, I'm gonna prepay it. I'm not gonna make the same mistake as last time, but here's kind of the outside. I'm not gonna show too much. I already have my SIM card, I already got some cash, so there's really no need to even hang around here. I just want to show at least the outside a little bit. So the first difference is the weather. It's night and it's probably like in the 70s. All right guys, so I'm trying out Uber right now. It's pretty easy. I just copy and pasted the address where we're staying and I plugged it in. It says connecting to driver. And we saw inside it said 90,000. If you wanted to do it that way, that's not bad. That's like going into the city. On here it was 80,000. That's to the exact address. So just expect to pay around 80 to 90,000, something like that. It says my driver's on my way. His name is Juan. He has 4.98 stars. I think he's within 1 mile. Wow, he's 750 feet away. So that was pretty quick. So now I know exactly what I'm paying. All right, so we made it, saying goodbye to the airport. So that wasn't too bad. There's actually 2 floors. Wow, check out that Ferrari. Nice car. I wonder if that's an Uber. Is that an Uber? Hello. Hello.
Hello, my friends.
Is it Jose?
Manuel Jose, okay.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
So good impression so far. Nice weather here. It's warm. So you can't tell the difference. So anyway, we made it safe and sound. We're gonna head back to the room. Is this a long tunnel?
Sí, sí.
We're underneath the tunnel right now. Ever seen the movie Daylight? Daylight with Sylvester Stallone. He gets trapped underneath the tunnel.
Okay.
But the bad thing, he's surrounded by water, so water starts to rush in, but I don't think we have to worry about that. All right, so this is the longest I've ever been in a tunnel before. You can look at the Google Maps. That big straight line is all tunnel. All of this right here. So probably more than half of this ride is inside this tunnel. One of the best rides from an airport I think I've ever had. These views are amazing. guys, I'm gonna be a little quiet. We just got to the room. How cool is this? So this is all to ourselves. We got a kitchen. We got Netflix already set up. We got an oven, refrigerator. We have 2 bedrooms this time, so we each get our own room. So here's one room here. Nice little lounge area. Watch some Netflix. Then here's the second room. We haven't decided who's sleeping where. But this one actually does have an own CR. So very cool. We're very happy. We're like running on fumes right now. It is kind of late, but that was a very short flight. It was less than an hour. It seems like as soon as we took off, we're getting ready to land. But it was delayed, but that's not a big deal. But we're really happy here so far. We don't have anything planned. Like we don't even know what we're doing tomorrow or the next day. So we might not do anything. We might just hang out. I think there was a basketball court not too far away. It was hard to look out the window at night. It was hard to see what was out there. But anyway, guys, I think this is the end of the video. We're probably just gonna hang out and get some sleep. And then tomorrow's another day. So this is a very cool room. We're very happy. Hopefully you guys are doing well. And we'll see you guys next time.